It's a grinder for kitchen. You can grind only the dry one. It's not suitable for juice or anything juicy. Here you can see some picture what we can do with it. This unit is almost new, but after buy this thing, someone tried to make some juice and the obvious thing happened with it, and of course the water damaged this unit. It's water damage. So now today we will try to fix this. Let's see what we can do. Now we will connect with power and try to run it. It works, but it's not free. That means maybe water makes movable parts corroded and jam. Now we will open this thing and see how we can clean it. Inside this leg, there are 3 screws. Let's open them. Dead cockroach with her egg. Now we will remove the motor. Okay, here is 3 screws. Let's open them. So here is our main unit. The pot, here is the switch and the motor. You can see here is something. These are the liquid evidence. So what we can do now, we will clean it anyhow and use some WD-40 in the moving parts. Of course, not in the carbon brush. Okay, now we will connect it to the power and try to run it again and see what happens. Much better. Now there is no bad sound. Okay, that's it. Just some small cleaning and some WD-40. The grinder works like new. Nice. Assemble the 3 screw from inside. Screw them again. Screw second one and third one, and oh no, then the screw 10 3 bottom cap. Finally, our grinder is ready to grind something. Nice. Let's see, can I grind something? Here is some cumin and now we will try to grind. Yes, working. To add some more. I think it needs more cumin for working properly. I gave less than minimum amount. Maybe they are under the blade. I think at least we need to cover the blade, so then the blade will work properly. Okay, so I think this is enough and we will try another thing. Let's remove this from the grinder. Now we will try to grind some rice. They are not fine powder, they need some more time. Much better. These are not smoke, they are powder. They're just fine powder. Performance is excellent, but we don't know where they came from. Some white smoke escaped from this gap. That means from motor, but the motor is still running. Maybe this smoke came from the WD-40 what we sprayed a few minutes ago inside the motor. Now I will open this thing again and see if there any abnormal situation inside this thing. Looks everything is still okay. So assembled it again and it was a easy fix. Now we run this motor without anything and see is there any white smoke. But you see there is no white smoke. So we can say that now it's 100% okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe my channel. It helps me to grow and survive. You can do it. Do it now.